guys, it's Saving with Shay. I'm literally sitting here waiting for my Walmart pickup. So we're here for my weekend. Is it weekend? Weekend, I think it's my weekend. Yeah, here he comes. This is my weekend Walmart haul for you guys. And so as far as mine, I need 18 offers for $5. Also tracking for the larger one as well, and I think I'm probably gonna hit that one as well, which I'll get back a total of 15 altogether, which would be really, really cool. I did do a Walmart pickup order. I had 3 offers for field agent, and so and for field agent, I noticed that with it'll say they prefer to be delivered, but it doesn't have to be delivered. And so it just has to be purchased or ordered online. And so I did do it for the bird feed. There was 3 different ones. And so I did these. 2 were $148 and 1 was $172, I think. Getting back $1.50 once you complete it. And so I wanted to add that. Now, whenever I do the online orders, I try to get my total to $35 so I get free shipping. Or not free shipping, but free delivery or whatever, whether it's curbside or whether it's delivery. And so I did order the sizing kit rings. They're $10, get back $10 Walmart rewards. Limit was 2, so I went ahead and just grabbed 2 of those. And then I also did they gave me a janky bottle. And then I got the Old Spice as well, because I had the $5 OTC for P&G, and then $3 back Walmart rewards, and then $3 back for Fetch rewards. So I figured, why not? And I just added some wafers because I needed to get my total to 35. And so we're gonna head into Walmart. We're gonna see what kind of, oh, did I say subscribe? I didn't. If you're new here and this is your first time seeing the video picture here, I'm Shay with the pal. Look at biceps are popping today. Definitely take a second and subscribe. Also, make sure to smash like button, support your girl. So with that being said, we're gonna head into Walmart and we're gonna see what kind of awesome deals we can grab today. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. I feel like I'm stuttering. That's because somebody's watching me. If you want to see what your girl got, you already know what to do. Hit the like button and keep on watching. All right, y'all. So this first deal is on the Purina Dental Life. I'm going to be grabbing this deal again. Price at $3.94, getting back 2 on Ibotta, and then 2 on one of the sister apps is going to make that a 6-cent moneymaker. Next up is the Purina Cat Chow. It's on the naturals. It's priced at $6.94. Now, I did try this deal a few days ago. I grabbed 2. I used a $6 off of 2 coupon from coupons.com for and then $6 back on Ibotta. Didn't work with the coupon for me, so I returned them and repurchased them. So 2 of them, $6.94 each. You'll pay $13.88, getting back 6 on Ibotta, 6 on Easy Bucks, making them only 94 cents each. I think I'm gonna do this deal again if it resets and stock up for my sister. All right, so next up is the Airwick Essential Mist Diffusers. These are just the devices only. They're priced at $7.48. For this, I did use the $5 printable from coupons.com. Bringing the total down to $2.48 and then getting back $3 on Ibotta, making it a 52-cent moneymaker. These are super cute. I wish they had my size. I'd probably get a pair. Aren't they cute? These are $21. They only have size 11. I guess you could check your area. I don't know. These are kind of cute for $13. Josiah, he don't like shoes. He only likes the Crocs. I think that's my fault, though. I think I made his feet lazy. When I buy him regular shoes, they're too tight for him. It's really quick. These are the active. Is it active wear? The Athletic Works sweats for boys. I absolutely love these for Josiah. I normally get them for $8. But they are all ringing up for $4. To me, that's a great price. 2 for the price of 1, you get 2 for. So I'm getting him just some sweaters because he loses his sweaters like crazy at school. And so yeah, so check your store. It's all of the active wear. So yeah. All right. So next up is the razors. So the Skid Summit is priced at $6.27. Now we do have $3 coupons on coupons.com, so you'll pay $3.27, getting back 2 on Ibotta. It'll make it $1.27, limit of 3. We have one on the Hydro Silk as well, priced at $6.78. Again, $3 coupon, you'll pay $3.78, get back 2 on Ibotta, makes it 178. Now I do have, well, I had some more $4 coupons. Check is a Knox coupons. It doesn't actually expire. And so I'll have to pop up a picture of it, but I used that one. And so yeah. Also grab the Extreme 3, which is where? I don't even see it. Oh, it's right here. I grabbed this one as well. So it's priced at $6.78 using the $3 coupon. You'll pay $3.78 getting back to on Ibotta. Makes it $178 each. And again, I've been using the Knox coupon. And so, and the limit is a limit of 3 for each of them. And they have been resetting for me. I was looking for the one that's here. It's the Extreme 5. But I guess they don't sell it anymore. It's still tagged. I did find 2, like what, a week and a half ago or so, but I haven't found any more since then. But I think the offer on Ibotta for that one, you're getting back, I think, $3. And so, yeah, even better deal with that one. All right, y'all, listen, I'm gonna try my luck. I kind of been standing clear of this deal because last time I just felt like it was a whole bunch of BS just to get the money back. But since it's $4 back, I said I'm gonna try it. We're gonna try it. So I'm gonna grab this one here, price at $2.47, and then I'm gonna grab this one here, price at $3.12. The 2 is gonna come to $5.59. We'll get back 50 cents for one, $1 for the other on Ibotta, $4 on Tada, and then $1 back on checkout 51. It'll make it a 91-cent moneymaker. Really, really quick. Look, I ran and did this really fast because I wanted to see if it was gonna work. I did it for Tada. Tada was the only app that I still have $4, even though I've been unclipping, refreshing, closing out. Nah. $2 on all the other ones except Tada. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab another set for Tada again, and then for Joseph's Checkout 51 account and Walmart rewards. And so we'll end up getting all 4 of them for like a $2 moneymaker, which is awesome. So make sure you check this section. I was at another store yesterday and they had a ton of the Power toothbrushes for $1.50. They have this one, but it's open. They had a ton of them. I didn't get any, but definitely check this section for sure. All right, so this is the one that I got. They could have gave me a better bottle, like for real. Like if you shopping, don't you supposed to get the best one? Why you want to get the one that's all knocked up? And so it's on the Old Spice cashmere and vanilla wood. It's priced at $8.44. I went ahead and grabbed this one because it had that $5 OTC. I was able to add that to my Walmart app as well. So it brought that total down to $3.44. And then I got back $3 Walmart rewards, and I'll be getting back $3 on Fetch Reward as well. It was a threshold spend 27, get back 3. And so I only need to spend $7 more. And so it's going to end up making that a $2.56 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. I also grabbed the Nivea body wash again as well, priced at $4.77. I used $2 printables from coupons.com, paid $2.77, got back to when I bought it, making those 77 cents each. And I went ahead and maxed it out and grabbed 3 of those. And then the Dove Men Care, we did post this on, this is in the wrong spot, I think. It's on the 2 count, price at $4.97, getting back 5,000 points on Fetch Reward. Makes it kind of sort of free depending on how you cash in out. And limit was 5, so I went ahead and grabbed 5 of those yesterday. I know that some of you guys might have offers for the regular. It's so busy in this store. Some of you guys might have offers for the Dove. I don't. I think I have it, but it's like for Food for Less or Bonds. I'm not sure if it would work on the single bar. It just says no trial size. So I haven't tried the single. Well, I don't have this offer for Walmart. I only have it for Food for Less. For the men care, it's not even the women's. Actually, you know what? I do have it. It's buy 2, get back 5, I think, for Food for Less for this one. But if you have this offer, I think some people have it buy 1, get back 4. And then we also have Shop Kicks as well for that. So that could be a really awesome deal for you. And so, yeah. So I have an offer for Field Agent. This is one that you have to buy online. And then you can either do, well, delivery is preferred, but you know, if you want to do curbside, you can as well, as long as it's ordered online. And so I have 3 different ones. I know this is one of them. It's priced at $148. You'll get the price of that back plus $1.50, making it a $1.50 moneymaker. I have 2 at that price, and then I have 1 that's priced at $174. And then again, getting back the price of the item plus $1.50, making that $1.50 moneymaker as well. And so, yeah, not a bad deal. All right, y'all. So here is my complete haul for today. I'm trying to finish this before I lose all of my daylight. Please excuse the echo. It's because ain't nothing in here. And I'm just like, I just want to cry. I just want to cry. I just do. And so, yeah, all we have is the microwave. We don't have the oven. We don't have the freaking washer and dryer. We can't wash nothing. We can't dry nothing. They tore out the rest of the tile yesterday. This is where it occurred by her. And I just felt this warmth. And it just started spreading. It was spreading out wider and wider. Called the plumber and they said, yeah, it's a slab leak. And so they had to cut through here, to this wall. They got this plastic up, basically. We have to zip ourselves up and zip ourselves down. But yeah, all the floor is completely ripped up. They had to reroute the pipes. Let me see. They had to reroute it like up here. And it goes all the way over there. Yeah, so home ownership, right? They said, get a house. It's going to be awesome. The American dream. They said. I'm not complaining, y'all. I'm not. Because I've been here since 2010. And this is the only thing that's happened that I can say, dang, you know? And so I cannot even begin to complain. But, let me show you the garage. All the furniture is in a pod in the front. It's in the driveway. But I had to move all my stockpile out here. And boy, I'm going to hate putting all this stuff away. I had to bring everything out. And if this doesn't tell me anything, it tells me that Chanel, you got a bunch of shit. But you know what? The one thing that saved it made it easier for me. That's Josiah upstairs. What made it easy is that I had so many empty totes. Like I had probably like upwards of 12 that I had gotten on clearance, and they were just kind of up there. And so that really made it easy for me. But yeah, this is it right now. And so, but let me kind of breeze through this because I'm losing my daylight. So everything here worked out good. I didn't have no issues. Well, I did have issues with the Betty Crocker and the Old Spice on Fetch Reward. I had to correct that receipt multiple times. And I'm hoping that it finally goes through. I think for the Betty Crocker, I ended up just putting cake mix because it said mix. Cookie mix is a mix. And so it wasn't working with the cookie, so I had to switch it to cake mix. Hopefully that works. And then the Old Spice, I just put body wash. I clicked any of the body washes and that was it. And so hopefully that works out. The dial, so the first set that I did for the dial, it did go straight through. Second set went into review. But I'm not complaining because at least the first set went and I was able to submit for the second set. Had it been the other way around, I wouldn't have been able to submit the second set, right? Because if it's in review, you can't submit until it's no longer in review. And so I'll let y'all know how that works out. Probably just pin a comment. Still waiting for the second part for the bird seed stuff. I expect that to take a number of days because, I mean, if they're expecting it to ship to you, then it's going to take a number of days, even though I did curbside pickup for it. And so I've only done the first part, which the first part for online is 50 cents. Once you get the second part, then it's $1 plus the cost of the items. All right. I did do the Secret whole body and the Dove at Target. I did go over that in my Target video. The Secret is $3.99, $3 digital, so you pay 99 cents. I think that's awesome. Again, I have one of those in my gym bag, so it's a win-win for me. The Dove is $1.99, $3 digital at Just Down, making that free. And I just went ahead and did those 2 on my second Walmart account. Everything that I did for Walmart rewards today all worked out. I think the only thing that's pending is those sizing rings. All right, that's supposed to get delivered tomorrow. And I told y'all when I do the field agent jobs that are online, I really try to fluff it using Walmart reward offers. And again, I was able to add the LTC to my Walmart app. so that it could apply towards the Old Spice. If I have a promo code from calling customer support for not getting rewards, then I'll use that as well just to get my total up to 35. Although I am thinking of doing getting a Walmart Plus account. I'm not really sure yet. But yeah, there's that. What else? I did add the Maybelline to this haul because I had to repurchase it. I activated the wrong offer for Walmart Rewards. That's why I didn't go through. And so I did get that from Walmart Rewards, which is awesome. So I added it to this haul here. I wanted to do the Purina again because I told you I'm just always trying to get like either cat food or dog food for my sister because she has cats and dogs. And so I don't think it reset on Ibotta, but if it's still available for Walmart Rewards, I'll definitely do that again. So grab those for less than $1 per bag for something that like I know she's gonna, like she needs or whatever. And so it's like I'm there. So I'm definitely gonna be doing that deal again for Walmart Rewards. The Purina, I will definitely do that deal again. I'm just gonna do it for her because why not, right? And so with that being said, everything that you see here retails 200 is, oh, the razors, which you don't see up there. Is on the floor. All the razors that I got. All the coupons I used today all worked. All right, I didn't have no issues with the printables today at all. And so with that being said, everything you see here retails $261.16. We had $199 in coupons. That brought the out-of-pocket down to $160.17. And then getting back $80.60 from Ibotta. Now with Ibotta, that's my midweek and my weekend. Since I didn't do a midweek for you guys, I just did Target. And that's just because the deals were really slow. And I was just like, okay, I just did Target, to be honest. And so $80.60 from Ibotta. Fetch Reward is $29.40. Walmart Rewards is $26.50. Again, I do have $20 pending still. Field Agent is $18.20 once I get reimbursed for the feed. I did 3 jobs for this haul. Tada is $10. Easy Bucks was $8. Inbox dollars and Checkout 51 both for $2. And so we're getting back a total of $176.70. It's gonna make this a $16.53 moneymaker, which is pretty cool. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to smash the like button. I want to see some hearts in celebration of Valentine's Day. I want to see hearts and presents and balloons in the comments. As always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I will see you in the next video.